My friend told me about the WonderFlex pillow and said I should try it. And when I did, I realized there was a whole new level of sleep comfort that I wasn't aware of. And my head just settles in at just the right level and just the right amount of support underneath. And you just feel so good when you wake up after a night's sleep.
I am very happy with the WonderFlex because it gives me comfort no matter what angle I sleep, on my back, on my side, on my stomach. The entire pillow was soft, and that's what I really liked about it, was the softness of the pillow. The first night I used the pillow, I slept like a baby. I was so refreshed, and I was thinking, oh my goodness, I didn't fight with the pillow tonight, and it was so nice.
The very first morning I woke up, I felt great. I felt fantastic. There's a cool sensation. My whole body relaxes, and it starts with my head and goes all the way to my feet. I'm in total relaxation.
From the first day I got the WonderFlex, it was comfortable and cozy and did what a pillow should do.
If you're looking for the best and most comfortable pillow you've ever had, the WonderFlex is the pillow of choice.
I've never had a pillow that you can bend and it stays, so it sounds like it would be hard, but it's not. The WonderFlex is soft. I mean, it's memory foam, but what's inside of it, which you can't feel, helps it keep its shape. It's comfortable and firm and soft at the same time.
My life has absolutely changed. I'm sleeping 7-8 hours a night, every night, and when I wake up, I'm in such a good mood. With the WonderFlex, I start out on my back, I wake up on my back. I can't tell you, it's great.
With my old pillow, I used to wake up many times during the night. And since using the WonderFlex, I've not woken up at all. I've just slept through the night, but it's so soft that it just envelops you.
Now with the WonderFlex, I'm not waking up at all. I'm sleeping sound throughout the night. And it's really refreshing to wake up after a long night's sleep on a great pillow.
If it happens to be noisy outside, I just take the pillow and wrap it around my head, and it just sticks right on my head, and it muffles the noise against my ears. And that really helps me go to sleep. Also, if my husband is snoring, which sometimes happens, I can do it with that too.
With my old pillow, what I had to do like every night is like I had to fluff it up because I always had to use two. And then after a while, it starts to get flat and flat, flat. So you're waking up in the middle of the night, you're sweating, and then you have to keep flipping it. But with the WonderFlex pillow, it was nice and comfortable. The air vents in it, I didn't sweat. And I fell right to sleep, and it was comfortable. And I woke up the next morning and said, this is a good pillow.
I don't think I've ever been completely happy with a pillow. They start off all right, and then a week later, they're done. And then I tried the WonderFlex, which is terrific. I think I'm waking up feeling more rested because my head and my neck are very well supported by the pillow, and it keeps me supported all night long.
I used to toss and turn an awful lot and wake up in the middle of the night, and sometimes my arm would be numb and stuff like that. But now, sleeping on the WonderFlex pillow, I go to sleep right away. I don't toss and turn. I wake up on my back, nicely aligned, refreshed. I get up, start the day, and the day goes good. It's nice to have a great night's sleep.